Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Review Chains. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the brand new MacBook Pro, the 16-inch version with the brand new M1 Max processor to see what's inside and get our first impressions. So, when you look at your Mac, you will see you have this piece of paper here. This is made so you can tear off the plastic. Now let's see what is inside. We will open it carefully like this. Voila. This is the first thing that you see, and it feels very cold to the touch. Beautiful. We'll take this out of the box. It feels very nice, cold and heavy. Some papers, and I guess the Apple stickers will be inside here. Voila, here are the Apple stickers. These are black since it's the space gray version. This is a 140 watt charger. It's a lot faster than the standard ones or the old or the first M1 MacBook Air, for example. It only had a 30 watt charger. This is very good and very fast. Make sure to remove the plastic because sometimes we like to leave it on to leave it protected, but it can heat up and we don't want to have any danger. It's a classic, beautiful Apple logo. And here's the cable. That's one I haven't seen before since it is new. It's a USB-C to this MagSafe version. Let's open it up. It has many places to open. This also has a special feel. It's not plastic or this kind of leather plasticish kind of cable. It feels like fabric, and it is also it is not the same MagSafe as we used to know before. It's a newer version. Voila. And that's all that you get in the box. Of course, we're not gonna forget to unpack this beautiful laptop. As I said, it's very heavy, so be careful that it doesn't slip out of your hands while you are removing this packaging. And this is the back. Whoa. This is very heavy and it feels absolutely premium. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a brand new MacBook Pro 16-inch M1 Max version. This is how it looks like completely unboxed. It's a very beautiful laptop. It feels so sturdy, the screen is absolutely gorgeous, and the speaker sound is not from this world. And to be honest, it's not very accurate to show you the speaker sound with this microphone, but if you really want to listen for yourself, just visit the Apple Store or something and you can check it out there. The speakers are really the best speaker laptops that you could get, I think. I don't think you can get better than this. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be making some MacBook Air M1 versus the new MacBook Pro M1 Max videos, and I'm going to compare it and do some benchmarks. If you have some suggestions, please write it down in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.